Hello guys, how are you today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you hungry? Are you sleepy? How are you today? Today I am very happy. Today I am wonderful. Good. And how are you today? Answer to me. I want to listen to you. I know you are happy today because today is the English day. So, guys, look at the window. How is the weather today? Today's sunny. Today's cloudy. Today's hot. Today's cold. Today is cool. It's not very hot and not very cold. Today's cool and sunny. Look at the window. It's a beautiful day. Yes. So guys, today we will continue talking about animals. But today we will talking about the sound of animals. What is the sound of the animals? So, I want you guess what animal is. So you listen the sound and answer to me. What animal is it? Okay, let's try. The first one, listen the sound. So, guys, what animal is it? What animal is? I am listening to you. This is a duck. This is a duck. Great job. If you answered duck, you were correct. So, guys, what is the class of the duck? The duck is a mammal, the duck is a bird, the duck is an amphibian, the duck is a fish. What is the class of the duck? Answer to me. If you say the duck is a bird, you were right. Good job. So let's go to the next animal. Wait a minute. Listen the sound. What animal is it? What animal make this sound? Answer to me. This is a lion. I want the full sentence, okay? Not just lion. I want here the full sentence. This is a lion, okay? So, the lion. And what is the class of the lion? The lion is a bird. The lion is an arachnid. The lion is a mammal. If you said the lion is a mammal, you were right. Good job. Very good. The lion is a mammal. Great job. So let's go to the next animal. Wait a minute. Okay, listen. What animal is it? What is this animal? This is a cow. This is an elephant. This is a chicken. No, teacher, this is a bird. Yes, full sentence. This is a bird. And guys, what is the class of the bird? The birds are mammals. The birds are reptiles. No, teacher, the birds are birds. For sure. Good job, guys. You're very smart today. I'm very happy because you are saying the full sentences. Good job. Let's go to the next animal. Open your ears. Let's listen. what animal is it? This is a dog? This is a turtle? No, this is an elephant. Let's repeat with me. This is an elephant. Good job, guys. And guys, what is the class of the elephant? The elephant is an insect. The elephant is an amphibian. The elephant is a mammal. If you say the elephant is a mammal, you were right. So, the elephant is a mammal. Great job, guys. Let's go to the next animal. Let's listen. Okay. Open your ears. Pay attention. What animal make the sound? A tiger, a butterfly, an alligator. It's a frog. This sound is a frog. So, what is the class of the frog? The frog is arachnid. The frog is a mammal. The frog is a bird. I know, the frog is a fish. Teacher, the frog is an amphibian. Let's repeat. The frog is an amphibian. Good job, guys. So, let's go to the next sound. Oh, this next sound is very annoying. Very annoying. So, open your ears and listen. Wait a minute. What annoying animal is this? This is a butterfly. This is a crocodile. This is a mosquito. This is a mosquito. And what is the class of the mosquito? The mosquito is a mammal. The mosquito is a arachnid. The mosquito is a bird. The mosquito is an insect, right? The mosquito is an insect, right? So I hate the mosquitoes. They make an annoying sound. I don't like mosquitoes. So let's go to the next animal, okay? Oh, this is hard. I want to know who will guess what animal is it. Okay, pay attention. Do you know, guys, what animal is it? Let me tell for you. This is a whale. Yes, the big whale. And guys, what is the class of the whale? The whale is a fish. The whale is a reptile. The whale is a bird. The whale is a mammal. Yes, the whale lives in the ocean, but the whale is a mammal, right? Good job, guys. And we are almost in the end, okay? This is the last animal. This animal is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. So pay attention and open your ears, okay? Do you know what animal is it? Listen. Guys, this is a crocodile. It's a big crocodile. Yes, this sound, it's a big crocodile. And now, answer to me. What is the class of the crocodile? Answer to me. Let's go. I can hear you. The crocodile is a reptile. Good job, guys. The crocodile is a reptile. So, Today we learn about the sound of animals, the sound of the duck, the sound of the whale, the sound of the frog, the crocodile, the lion, all of the animals. And we learn too about the classes of these animals, right? Arachnids, amphibians, birds, fish, mammals, all the classes of the animals, okay? So, this is for you. This is all of today, but I will see you tomorrow, okay? So, bye-bye and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, butterflies. See you later, alligator. Kisses. Bye.